Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Keynote and selecting a template that matches your goal. Pick a clean, simple layout so content stands out. Once done, set the slide size. Choose 16:9 for modern screens or 4:3 for legacy projectors, and save immediately to avoid losing work. Make sure to name the file clearly and pick a folder or iCloud for access from other devices. This setup speeds future edits and prevents version confusion while you add content. Now you build the body of your presentation by applying master slides so typography and color remain consistent throughout. You should insert images, charts, or tables by dragging them into place or using the Insert menu. This preserves quality and layout control. Once elements are added, use Arrange to align and distribute objects and enable guides and rulers for precision. Grouping related items helps when moving content. By structuring slides this way, you save time and maintain a professional, cohesive look. Finish by refining transitions and animations. Keep them subtle and use build order to control timing. This helps your audience focus on each point. Once satisfied, export to the needed format, for example PDF for handouts or PowerPoint for sharing with Windows users. Check resolution and embedded media so nothing breaks. If Keynote behaves oddly, quit and restart it. Copy slides into a new file, or clear caches. These steps usually resolve corruption or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.